the HN say Mebruna and Twamomo. And no one say Mebruna so air shift to NDC.
Sure.
And it is very worrying for them. And one of the things to cry is a hard dream cry MPP for Nusro.
Sure.
Any regional minister ya was abe. Ono crowd they also say just say I'm MPP for Nusro.
Or Toma.
When MPP for Nidim Koma, Omusro, Dr. Frank Amakone de Oyeno. Because this is where the one we see here no, we MPP new crown now, Obena, Oma who say we MPP and NDC on the Ashanti.
Sure.
And it is working in the minds of the youth.
Yeah.
Gosh, throughout a year, he was all over the place.
Yeah.
For good
Ashanti
reasons.
First.
And I am struggling on how MPP for say Koni say ana a mebunu ne pano a bad yam MPP for.
And I would say the most critical aspect of this issue now correct to say when baby are order obebana in sugu or wafo adiyeswa sani baby are okoda. Talking about the MPP stronghold being Ashanti region, as he said. Now when you be a or no air competia, the competition so on any obvious say or any partisan, and which happens to be the regional minister. Enya influence on particularly the youth. Now come for Ricrom MP, or more engaging you to do the research. Or say the youth. Or more youth no croma engage MPP youth. They engage non-MPP youth. And they gave them the reasons as to say party governance issue number one. HSA ne hono wo ka sem no madwene ko ba bi so say you engage some of the youth meboa o man fa nap ko ni ade ama. It is some of the governance issues o mo de ba ye disappointing to some of the youth. E ka ho bi e contribute ye no bisa critical question was what is the reason here o mo de party chairman any secretary co cabinet for them to go there, no party in the direction to give advice. Normal remind you of the party's manifesto. In fact, MPP's manifesto going into 2020 election, manifesto now it was having some kind of vision for the youth. But it became a disappointment. And you expected nothing less than say, Ibia Omube Lusu from the side of the youth. And obvious say Omu Lusu yene, so a party attractive for Ashanti regional. The NDC. No cranny, the NDC. On so status work as a youth ni be comment no was raw. I was say Nana, it's not that I didn't vote.
Otuaba.
Also Otuaba, but he voted for the NDC. Our Facebook page was.
And as you say, Mebruno so attracted to NDC.
And I'm making. Now it's not that they are being attracted, they are attracted. Obi or Honma, I mean show. I quite to say the atete no ho enti no ofere se ye twa me fruma enti meyi manim se me pay NDC but na kuma mu pa wonim se se de ne ye attractive pay NDC unya ya nko obekọ beebia ne nana bi ne wo fa bi beka se kwadwoja agimi no what you see enti no bema watwe asai but the ekoso nyina no
Jeff get me the demography for voters 2020 no get it for me na me mfanya this here
ne ekoso MPP mu nyina no utie ye wura yugina a leadership failure. And he's saying that Adebako kind of said the leaders that will be chosen and this time around for the party will determine so mbe wini and answer or moon wini. Nana indirectly one can see any leaders in free hole. But as someone what can say, right? So what you na ye penny? Near catch or say, and penny for a benya or munu beam. I benya or munu, never say, you be queer one, I am queer one. I say what you want. Sabe in previous and what is simpa penny and for so also and it's telling the leaders
but it is very clear say MPP from Betwetia all the executives
and that's what I'm saying.
I am not
maintaining
MPP DS at the end JFQ in team crowd or no crowd I'm not sure so baby
menya sure
no crowd could be team chairman team ne
menya sure
on the next ceremonial because no yet tian ba ko pene no ano no wa akoda and a JFK so ama ni hu ni say okaka say reshuffling na ya ama no kwan no and no mo Kenya Salam Mustafa
no cry
ono nso de mia na minia no but I say okasa nyoma basa dodo and na bi nso omususu say okoye nkran nyoma nko a enti party na nkasa no empanyifo no if you compare that to that NDC for now, na Bibian can't say NDC for no ma prepare na no more.
Nana, so we share NPP any NDC after the loss of NDC in the year 2016. We share omubru high course ni adenoa na emwe but anche and as omubra no say share kwan on befa so betimi I restructure the party. But for the MPP chedodo Joe, Ubehuna we afa. No grant interview. We answer Eugene calling for unity. It means that Oman Kaso say I'm fine to cheche and we are yintimi yamani MPP de ya chedodo. Akomano ego suno run too much.
Okay, and my uncle we na yenye quickly then right. We come here. So same way, okay, no problem. But your Facebook na yen share ade bi kakra wa ha. So obeka ye beto aba no.
Yeah.
So signal we na ye de ma voters are ye predict catcher say John Mahama be winning.
Sure.
Obia onim ye bia na ne ye kan that time na MPP for ne ntiase. Na ye de sa distribution we emao. Yeah. Bra Facebook na menche wade. Say ohia me can say first no na ye ma menum no o mehu JJ.
Yeah.
Into 2000 no na obetimi di JJ.
Yeah.
Aye campaign. Because na JJ in Ashanti region no waboye maamenom waboye papa no sa na yaba beti no na edwomfo ma obuomo tese basa
yes we akum nipa we wudi ni
enti na dodo na mpe MPP asem wa Ashanti region
right
enti kofuomu ye papa kofuomu omutimi di ye campaign se wotoma atamelsa
yeah
wato ama JJ JJ nso boye maamenom. It is sad dear no edi yedem. But share after 25 years
sure.
Dodo na ye wu no o mama metu jeje.
Abakosem.
Enti ye ka che ye ma menom ye papa no ma omu ye MPP for no. Say woda so di jeje ye campaign na emfa.
Sure.
So be ka se jeje boye ya akoda no wante wa hu e history ma no. Ene ye de enkofo call sa data no fa data no to so ma me quickly. Eka che nkofo say
sure
so wo hwe ye maame no ma after all ye maame no no ye mfa say 50 60 70 ye fa to so 50 60 70
sure
ye maame no sesi a ye kase ya omo wa Ashanti region typically omo ye MPP for no ye 50 60 70
sure
ene bi a late 40s for no oti ase na ye hwe demography no Oshia wana no mutimi ato aba from 2020 na from 18 to 35 years no
sure
na omuye 9.3 million tio
eche voter yinim kra
9.3 million yemfa nche etrim se wono muto aba afi last year it was 11 million 11 million plus and a to aba
sure
18 to 35 years no na ye mabunu pa no na ye 9.3 million. Now from 36 to 45 years. What do I say? A free 36 na to obia afina ebia okoni 50s no. Omonso ye 3.3 million. Into the calculate. From 18 to 45 years yen kambo calculate se sia na memfanche wade. From 18 to 45 years no. Say o adea check the number. Money say from 49 it's still like you consider so your youth.
18 to 45 no.
O calculate
mo ebenya 12.6.
Until from 18 to 45 no. 12.6 million Ghana for. Sanko for no. Anye bia on the average omo kenkan.
Sure.
Anye bia on the average no wako school. Munchio.
Yeah.
Sa de wedi Ghana and they say de wedi 45 years no. Anye bia no nipa no wako school.
Right.
Oni diploma, oni JSS or senior high school, and I say wako school or diploma and our first degree, and our university and our masters and our PhD. Sa bracket no.
Yeah.
E just say sa nipa kro no otimi kenkan de ekoso social media. Sa nipa kro no or WhatsApp, or TikTok, or information na eba.
Yeah.
But uti.
Yeah.
That society and that demography no omo kenkan
different. Omo dey.
Now compared to a free 46 aircon.
And you for 46 now.
46 near saying
so
2 million.
Okay, 2 1 so 3.2 so
yeah, what did 56 to 65 for no till 56 to 65 because Ghana Hano from 65 from next Ubabu based on the expectancy you know. And to one no more 56 ni 65 for no. I bear say yeah minimum no. Yeah, minimum at least from 56 to 65 for no. Ghana for moment to me to abano. Only just 1.2 million. Uchi, 1.2 million. And now 75 years for no kono. Yeah, nanum no. Nini na kikabom no. Na ye 341,000, less than 400,000. Iti multiply add 1.2 1.2 million. Plus 1.3 million plus 630,000 plus 342,000.
Inti nana say o hwemu abenya 2.1.
Inti it means say every 56 years to over 75 years no.
Sure.
Our mutime to aba typically our Ashanti regional or ye MPP ni no. Wo be hu jeje de no o kan nyina bom ye say
obetumi nya 2.1
2.1
yeah.
Meanwhile you calculate from 18 to 45 years no
12.6
no me 12.6
sure 2 quantity free ma
what it means is that the ultimate determine who becomes the president no enye maamenum
ko ye maamenum ye just about 1/6 uchemu be ye memfa ne say ensia because we are 12
exactly
and we are 2
exactly
into you could divide the crown. I just would nya ma minimum mo be nsia no wadu youth no de
until you to nenso a 1 2 jeje you to na obaye no ohun ebia na Akufo Addo ene John Mahama no nim no
right
you to na onu onyini no oye Gen Z oye social media person ultimate kenkan no ade bi wo ho na ka tie no wo fia
yeah
na wo ho ye nesere.
Nana unim the most critical aspects Chris whom say pa with the social media group AJZ if we say before so obeba say was a politician obe kawasem no na we hu dada because social media o de ne wa hwe traditional media you cry before so obetena radio so be kasem no obi ehu dada
yeah
and the accident here we obi ehu o TikTok ehu o Facebook enura kura atietie audio na machire nyina entinya wo na wo be ka kire ne sebe petrol boy atum ono ko Facebook no bi de flyer kura beto se petrol boy atum you betra be ka chense aban ni ntumu a you are just joking and that is baby a ye wo say atrobre no atwam because the population now omo do so omo determine elections no. They are able to read and write, and you have to understand this. Intellectual discourse, no no be kwa koto abanu. Say sebe near kind of bejimi breno. And then they have the knowledge through all the platforms. Why are you exposed? Okay. Why did they even conducted the research among the youth, particularly now doing was to say youth no?
Because you're looking at over 12 million people.
That is it. They are finding out say. Youth no omu nene sebe omu nim was up the echo nti die ne ka omu ema omu tuti ayen omu anyama yen and he found out that a governance what issues na opeso break no ka say part 2 no the be or the beba and what you mu say bi okra demonstration we hu social media na say chief justice former chief justice or your demonstration etia ban or my example and these things were flying on social media but can no ya ma menom breso you won't see this you know see e because chief justice no na mon cry former chief justice no demonstration politician beba betene kumase aka che onya no kre ye ne nam cry ho ye ko fa chief justice no adakora
the good people of Ghana
the good people of obetwa wontro. But this time, a trobreno, that's what they have to understand. Jay-Z for be decide their amount. And if they want to do things right, they must dance to the tune that this majority groups are what.
But I think enchena mi be lines no but enemy ma serial callers no emfre. We na ye ne bema emmabunu no.
Yeah.
Ena edi enkomo no.
Yeah.
Anti serial callers na ye mamo emfre. But the key thing here, I DB lines and they say, oh yeah, mama na wuti. First of all, in FM, any multimedia, a jume bia ya yibiano, ɛyɛ deɛ nipa ne ka no ɛne ɛba aba abɛka kyerɛ
exactly
memfa ne sɛ ebi ayɛ tan aban na menim sɛ ɛnkane no na ɛyɛ radio nko ana ebi abɛti enti yɛbɛka nsɛm bi ama na kɔ wu tirim sɛ we na ɛyɛ papa because wuti kumase de bi ɛka kyerɛ sɛ wuti kumase ɛbɛyɛ wo sɛ MPP awi ni de bi ɛka saa asɛm no sɛ wuti kumase a ɛbɛyɛ wo sɛ MPP awi ni enti yɛ wɔnkɔfo bebree wɔ hɔ a na mehyia mu a menka hwee because typically no ɔyɛ MPP ni
nti wunim de ɛba
ɔyɛ o maame ɔyɛ o papa ɛna ɔyɛ MPP ni enti wokɔka bibia ɛnyɛ deɛ MPP ɔmpɛ enti omu ka no wasere o ti ase ɛna bi wɔ hɔ a still na bi wɔ na John Mahama deɛ ɛna NDC for do mu num moja ɔnso wɔ ha saa ne ɛbɛka akyerɛw ba saa nneɔma no akora na wawo no no osua deɛ ɛna mmabunu yɛ ne ɔmu hyia one of the critical things ɛyɛ a na yɛbu so ɔmu nie ɛne sɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so no o papa anaa maame bɛtumi influence o na dodoɔ ne say dabi
because they are able to read, they are able to research.
Only no me chiro ma de na mbuso mu say mon papa no mo maame influence him say mon to aba o meka se da bi say ye nso ye kenkan you eno na think say ye maame ne ye papa no no na ye mu say me banie enti me na me se koto aba enti e wo so koto ama no Obeka cho say you mate but obekwa akoto ama NDC do you know why because NDC no John Mahama ema ne ye mebru hwe say John Mahama ne yire after almost celebrating 30 years anniversary she the way I know see ye you find John Mahama on no besre John Mahama asemi okre ye bufu a John Mahama on the boys now omubo boxing no John Mahama ahomache na o support ne ba yes abukom nyoma no but Nana Akufo-Addo is too serious Nana Akufo-Addo no on create asresem kra ma wo hu say papa
ye papa no bre no
na nkofo atwa no ho ahia no so am create say Nana Akufo-Addo ho aye hu dodo enti problem no kra ne say o ma no mu ben Nana Akufo-Addo kra no mu ntimi ben no because e dru baby no na akoye te say enye kenufori ata na say gabi ochirida kum na sefo na obia anye obia wo ho enti o mu create sa nyoma no ena Nana Akufo-Addo nso ese yi mpanyufo na omu betwi nanim no every cabinet enti emre bi ye beka say imagine Kojo Oponkroma asenso a eye ne ba honorable asenso bantima ne ba no abuginapo ne ba no enti oma no machia wo cabinet ni nyina ye ne ma watete omu a wahwe omu osuku enti dia be pa na betimi aka che Nana Akufo-Addo emfa
and global info analytics so kind of research or the by chess and another down Akufo-Addo one of the a year or only one of the main kind of say on the highest contributor to their downfall MPP elections
but still
on number 80% to say 70% and that tells you say another down Akufo-Addo had a problem me Professor Michael Kwe report in the reason why they are actually trying not to bring it public
Ebeba on the Ebeba.
Oh, say they have said say omo making it public.
Ebeba.
Oh, they say Ebeba. If you are home better, binya petition kraza no mo say.
Man, kofu ni dada.
Kofu. Say they wuni mu no hu. Nana say adena amam obi ehwe we na da ho yi a wo kan ebeka so oboa.
No, but you know research you. The research no wonim die ntia Ghana for until you don't need on say eye wonko na timi ya research dia me ebefa but obi etimi ya research ni bi meboa ye wi am bebie lines na busa die ntia mututi a ayi that is our research isn't it
and I was checking USTD the true global info analytics one they actually talked about Nana Akufo-Addo the character Edru baby grace we na you know mo de bam so we tin I'm not surprised say we can we num nyina surrounding Nana Akufo-Addo then I support Eugene Asemo Awake was say the leaders are on be choose this time will determine whether NPP
all right
our ground so by be me dey say can youth no on betwetwe nkomo me I will be glad if all the right. Youth no betwetwe but NDC na me wa say be catch on
all right yeah
adeɛ baako ne sɛ
quick one
adeɛ baako ne sɛ you see we nyina ye kan no you see youth no na determine and one of adeɛ ma youth no ediko gyina so koto aba employment you know it adwuma ho nsɛm and me dey advice and am dey ma say if they have something to do omun hyase ntem to put the youth on because me share them who adie bia edi area bia eba towards the youth for say ye dey be ma adwuma no mu bia kwai te say the actual paper so na area coach say bibi say ba they should try and let us see the hope for the youth, because youth no and they determines if they play with them assemble to omo
nim dada enti mpacho serial callers